In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your HubSpot content. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the Files tool. Depending on your view, you'll find this under Content then Files or under Marketing then Files. Once you're in the File Manager, take a moment to look around. This is where every asset you upload will live, ready to be dropped into emails, landing pages, blog posts, and more. When you're ready to add a file, move to the top right of the File Manager and click the Upload Files button. A simple upload dialog will appear. From here, you can either browse for files on your computer or use drag and drop. If you choose to browse, click to open your computer's File Explorer, navigate to the images, PDFs, or videos you want. Select them and hit Open. If you prefer drag and drop, just drag the files from a folder on your computer directly into the Open File Manager window. The interface will show a progress indicator while your files upload. After you initiate the upload, wait briefly for the transfer to finish. Uploaded items will appear in your library once complete. Depending on file size and your connection speed, big video files may take longer, so be patient and avoid closing the Browser tab until the upload finishes. A quick tip is to optimize image and video size before uploading to improve load times and reduce storage usage. Once files are in the library, they're ready to use. When creating content, open the image or file picker within the editor and choose your uploaded asset from the library. You can also drag modules onto your page and select the file directly from the module settings. The File Manager supports common formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, PDF, and standard video formats. So keep your assets organized with clear file names and folders when possible to make them easy to find later. If you plan to reuse assets, consider adding descriptive names, alt text for images, and organizing files into folders. This makes it faster to locate the right item when you're building emails or pages. Finally, keep an eye on file sizes and formats to ensure the best performance for your visitors. That's all there is to it. Upload your files, wait for them to appear, and then select them in the content editor whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like if this helped you.